Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to talk to someone on Instagram. Well, on Instagram, to talk to someone, first you need to add a person. For example, here, I'm gonna add Miggy. And once I added him, and once he followed me back, I'll be able to chat him. So to talk to someone or to chat someone in Instagram, you need to click on the top right corner, right here, the message. After you click that, you will see the people you can message. For example, right now I'm gonna click EJ, and there you go. I'll message her, hello, and there you go. That's how, and there you go. That's how you talk to someone on Instagram. I hope you like the video and hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.